So today we're going to do the pH of common substances, the Curds and Whey lab. And today we have, for our lab, we've set up vinegar, lemon juice, baking soda solution, saltwater solution, and Lysol instead of bleach. So you'll need to change that on your lab to change out Lysol for bleach. What you're gonna do is you're gonna fill out the background information about the pH scale. And then you're going to create a hypothesis. So make sure your hypothesis is an if-then statement about what will happen when you add an acid or a base to whole milk. Okay, so some of these you might already know if they're an acid or a base just from prior knowledge, but we want to find out what's going to happen when we add milk to each of these solutions. Today we're going to use our Vernier LabQuest reader, our pH reader. So we're going to test the pH of the vinegar. Right now we're in distilled water, so it should be at a neutral level even though it's reading at about a 5.58. So here we go. So what you're going to do when this kind of bottoms out, you're going to record the pH onto your lab paper. So we're about a 3.4 on vinegar. Okay. And I'm going to clean this off. So record 3.4 into your paper. And then we're gonna add milk. Okay. So we're gonna add some milk to the vinegar, and you can see what happens when we start adding milk to the vinegar. Okay. You're going to record your observations in there. Okay. And I'm going to swirl it with a stir rod. And you can kind of see what is happening to the milk. Okay. All right, if you need to pause the video, go ahead. Okay, the next item we're going to do is lemon juice. Okay. While that is settling down, I'm going to clean off my stir rod. All right, you can record the pH at a 2.84 for lemon juice. And clean off my pH sensor. All right. Now we're going to add milk to the lemon juice. Okay. And we'll stir. Okay. We can add some more milk if we don't see anything happening here. And maybe you do. At the end, we'll go back through and we'll record each individual and get a really good close-up of the vinegar, lemon juice, baking soda, salt water, and Lysol when we're all done. All right, next we're going to put the pH sensor in with the baking soda solution. As that's getting a good reading, we're going to clean off our stir rod. All right, we're about at 8.4. Now we're going to add milk to our baking soda solution. we're going to stir that up. Record your observations. The next item, we're going to find the pH of saltwater solution. As we do that, I'm going to clear or clean the stir rod. All right, right at about a 7.92. Add some milk. Stir it with the stir rod. And then last is the Lysol. We'll gain a pH reading. While we're doing that, I will clean my stir rod. Okay, we're about a 10.28. So milk has been added to all of the solutions, and I will hold them up so you can see maybe the bottom. This is the vinegar, okay? If you see any particles, any separation, please take note. This is the lemon juice and milk, okay? You notice any particles, any film, okay? Baking soda solution and milk. Saltwater solution and milk. And then the Lysol solution and milk.